morning, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to It's E Lifestyle. So this particular video is going to be a realistic morning routine. And as you can see, I'm just waking up. My first alarm clock just went off, and now it's time to get ready for work. When I first get out of bed, I brush my teeth, wash my face, pretty much do all my skincare routine. Since I'm wearing curly hair, I went ahead and wet my hair, and I'm headed downstairs to make me a cup of tea. Typically, I have coffee in the mornings, but I'm trying to do some healthier options. The tea that I'm planning to make this morning is called the Medicine Ball Tea. It is actually sold by Starbucks, but you can easily make it at home. So if you are interested in this recipe, I will be sure to link it in the description box. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I've selected my outfit for the work day. So this is pretty much what I plan to wear to work today. I'm just going to go ahead and iron my skirt because it's a little bit wrinkly. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so while the iron is getting hot, I'm going to turn on the news. Here is a fun fact about me. I love to watch the news. I love to watch local news. I love to watch world news. I just love to know what's going on in the world. So I watch the news in the morning. I don't like to listen to music. I like to watch the news. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so around 7:15, I'll head into my son's room to wake him up. It usually takes me about 2 to 3 times to yell his name before he actually finally gets out of bed. But I like to get up, start my morning before I wake him up. Once he's up, I start getting ready. If I don't hear any water running within the first 5 minutes of waking him up, I am back in his room calling his name to get his behind up. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so my son finally got out of bed. I'm going to go ahead and start prepping my hair and my face for the work day. Okay, lifestyle lovers. So what you didn't see was me getting up this morning, washing uniforms for my son. So now I am in rush mode because I did not wash his uniforms from the night before. So here I am in a hurriedly ironing his uniform pants. And guess what? The uniform shirt is still in the dryer. So he will be putting his shirt on right before we walk out the door. But this is real life for me. Also, I make my son breakfast every morning. So this morning he's having waffles, which is what he has most mornings. It's either waffles, pancakes, or oatmeal or cereal. Okay, lifestyle lover. So now that my son is downstairs eating breakfast, I can continue to prepare myself to get ready for work. Today is Tuesday. This is one of my most busiest work days because I have a 8 a.m. conference call that I have to be on, and I typically listen to it in the car on the way to work. And I also have a 8:30 staff meeting. So I need to be to work by 8:30. My son has to be to school by 8 o'clock. Okay, lifestyle lover. So my panic alarm has just went off, and this is pretty much my alarm that tells me you need to get your ass out the door. So now it's crunch time. The scent that I'm wearing for today is the Donna Karan Cashmere Mist. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so we are all packed and ready to head out the door. Me start my work day and get my son off to school so he can start his school day. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I'm on my morning commute with very little time to spare. I hope you enjoyed this realistic morning routine video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.